So sales and marketing, right? How are they different and how are they the same? And they are very different. And people talk about them in the same breath. And they're highly supportive, highly interlaced in order to do their job well. But they're focused on very different things. A sales job is a sales job. Their job is to get out there and get product into customers' hands so they can hopefully bring it to some benefit for a patient in our world, right? That is their job. They have quotas, and they're highly driven to meet quotas. They're a certain type of individual, and we love them. They live 3 months at a time. That's just how they're built and how they interact. And so they're very transactional when it comes to the business, and very relational generally when it comes to the customer, right? Because they built their business on trust with the customers. Marketing, on the other hand, is much more about looking with a much larger lens. So what are the macro environmental things going on that may affect our business? You know, Obamacare, right? The Affordable Care Act. How is that going to affect what we do? What do we have to do differently? Do I have to price differently, market differently? Do we have to interact on a regulatory front differently than we had to in the past? What are the trends? Marketing is about a lot about data analysis. People think about it as brochures and shiny objects, and actually really good marketing to me is on a foundation of data and data analysis. And so marketing is about what is it, how are we going to react to a big environment? What is it that we can do to better position our product, you know, in the world as a whole? And then the sales team to execute that, I think, is one way to think how those two differ.